Hi, boys and girls. Today we're just learning how to use these roll dice papers. So your assignment might say rolla, and it'll be rolla something. Your paper might not look just like this, but this is how we use these papers. So you'll need a dice, and if you don't have one, there's a paper dice template that you can cut out and make. Now you're just going to roll your dice, and you're rolling for the first column first. So if I rolled a 5, I'm going to look at column 5, and those are the eyes I use. So for this one, we're just starting with a shape for our bird, so any shape you want. And now I'm going to add those eyes that I rolled. And then once I've added them, I can roll again, and now I'm rolling for the second column. 4. So now I'm looking at the second column and the 4, and I just follow both. You can use your fingers, so second column, 4, or whatever number you rolled, and drag your fingers together, and that's the beak I'm going to draw. And then you do it again. Now we're on the third column. Roll number 6. So I'm doing third column, 6, and that's the tail I draw. And again, and you just keep rolling and keep fourth column, 6. Keep going until you've created whatever we're making with our rolla sheet. If you don't like what you get, you don't like the legs or whatever you're rolling for, you can always roll again. So if I roll a 1 and I don't really like that topper, that hair for my bird, I can always roll again. Or if I really like this one and I really want to do this one, you can do that. So sometimes rolling it is fun because we get to draw something we normally wouldn't choose, but sometimes we really want to use something specific, and you can go ahead and do that. Okay, boys and girls, you have fun with your rolla sheet. I can't wait to see them. Bye.